or when somebody is inquiring about us, we can use these sentences in the same format. Only few information will change. So we have seen the half lesson in the previous video. Now we will continue the next set of questions and statements. तुम कहाँ पढ़ते हो? तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? So since it is feminine gender, padna will become padti. Whenever tum comes, who will come? Kaha means where. So whenever we want to ask somebody, where are you studying? In Hindi we have to say tum kaha padti ho if she is a female gender. मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. I study in school. मैं means I. मैं means in. पढ़ना पढ़ती is to study. So when मैं comes, who will end. मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. I study in school. Whenever we want to use the statement I study in school, we will say the sentence in Hindi. मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. And this is used for feminine gender. Question is तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? When you want to ask the question to a feminine gender, where are you studying? We use पढ़ती. तुम कहाँ पढ़ती हो? मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तुम कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ती हो? सो कक्षा मीन्स क्लास और ग्रेड. विच क्लास, कौन सी, विच क्लास और विच ग्रेड. तुम मीन्स यू. पढ़ना टू स्टडी, पढ़ती सिंस इट इज फेमिनाइन जेंडर. हो मीन्स whenever तुम comes, हो will come. तुम कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ती हो? Which class are you studying? मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. I study in 10th standard. 10वीं कक्षा 10th standard. 10वीं कक्षा 10th standard. मैं means I. मैं means in. पढ़ना is to study. मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. I study in 10th standard. Which school are you studying? I study in 10th standard. How do we say this in Hindi? तुम कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ती हो? मैं 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तुम रोज कितने बजे उठती हो? उठना is to get up. Whenever तुम comes, who will end with a question mark. रोज means daily. कितने बजे, what time. At what time you get up in the morning daily? At what time do you get up in the morning daily? तुम रोज कितने बजे उठती हो? When we want to ask our friend and she is a feminine gender, we ask तुम रोज कितने बजे उठती हो? When we want to ask her what time do you get up daily? तुम रोज कितने बजे उठती हो? So the girl is answering, मैं रोज 6 बजे उठती हूँ. So Vimala is answering this question. Vimala is the girl who is answering the other girl. So she is saying, I get up at 6 o'clock daily in the morning. I get up at 6 o'clock daily in the morning. मैं रोज 6 बजे उठती हूँ. मैं रोज 6 बजे उठती हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तुम कितने बजे स्नान करती हो? स्नान मीन्स टू टेक बाथ. So when we are going out in the morning, we take bath and go. So स्नान is to take bath. कितने बजे, what time. तुम, you. करती, do. So she is a feminine gender, so karna will become karti here. तुम comes, हो will end with a question mark. तुम कितने बजे स्नान करती हो? At what time are you taking bath? What time are you taking bath? Suppose we want to ask somebody, at what time are you taking bath? So how do we say that? तुम कितने बजे स्नान करती हो? So she is saying, Vimala is saying, मैं साढ़े 6 बजे स्नान करती हूँ. 6:30, 6:30. 6:30 is 6:30. मैं means I. Snan means to take bath. Karti, she is a feminine gender, so she is saying karti. Do, to take bath. Do. Karna is to do. मैं comes, who will come. मैं 6:30 स्नान करती हूँ. I take bath at 6 o'clock. 6:30. I take bath at 6:30. मैं 6:30 स्नान करती हूँ. So the question is, at what time you take bath? And somebody is answering I take bath at 6:30. So how do we ask the question? तुम कितने बजे स्नान करती हो? मैं 6:30 स्नान करती हूँ. So now we go to the next question. तुम कितने बजे नाश्ता करती हो? नाश्ता is to have tiffin or breakfast. नाश्ता. कितने बजे? What time? तुम, you. करती हो, to do. breakfast. तुम कितने बजे नाश्ता करती हो? At what time do you do breakfast? At what time do you have your breakfast? Somebody we want to ask when we reach our office, even when we reach our office place, we want to ask a female gender. Then how do we say? We want to ask our colleague, what time did you have your breakfast? So how do we say? तुम कितने बजे नाश्ता करती हो? So Vimala is answering, मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करती हूँ. 8 बजे is 8 o'clock. नाश्ता is breakfast. मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करती हूँ. Whenever मैं comes, who will end? I take breakfast at 8 o'clock. मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करती हूँ. So question is, तुम कितने बजे नाश्ता करती हो? Answer is, मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करती हूँ. What time do you have your breakfast? I have the breakfast at 8 o'clock. So that is the question and answer. We saw that. Now we go to the next question. तुम कितने बजे स्कूल जाती हो? जाना, to go. कितने बजे? What time? At what time do you go to school? So we want to ask our neighbor's daughter, at what time do you go to school? So jati is for feminine gender. We want to ask somebody who is feminine gender, then we say jati in the question. तुम कितने बजे स्कूल जाती हो? At what time do you go to school? That is the question. So Vimala is answering now. मैं 8:30 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ. So Vimala is the girl who is replying to the question of the other girl. So Vimala is the name of the girl who is studying 10th standard. We saw that. So she is answering her friend or her classmate. मैं 8:30 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ. I go to school at 8:30. मैं 8:30 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ. Question is, तुम कितने बजे स्कूल जाती हो? मैं 8:30 बजे स्कूल जाती हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तुम कब हिंदी सीखती हो? कब मीन्स when. कब मीन्स when in Hindi. So सीखना is to learn. So when are you learning Hindi? So everybody, the children have the practice of learning some extracurricular activity apart from the regular work. So Hindi can be a one of them. Hindi is a, or the subject the language they can have in their school subject also, Hindi. So the question is, when do you learn Hindi? So every day we'll have a schedule to learn this language Hindi. Vimla is having the schedule. So the question is posed now by the other girl. तुम कब हिंदी सीखती हो? When do you learn Hindi? When do you study Hindi? So the Vimla is answering, मैं शाम को हिंदी सीखती हूँ. शाम means evening. I learn Hindi in the evening. मैं शाम को हिंदी सीखती हूँ. Question is, when do you learn Hindi? I learn Hindi in the evening. So the question is, तुम कब हिंदी सीखती हो? मैं शाम को हिंदी सीखती हूँ. So we have understood this. Now we go to the next question. तुम कब हिंदी पसंद है? क्या तुमको हिंदी पसंद है? क्या means what? तुमको, you. Hindi is the language. पसंद, like or love, like. It is a choice of the person. So the question is, do you like Hindi? क्या तुम हिंदी पसंद है? क्या तुमको हिंदी पसंद है? Do you like Hindi? So Vimla is answering, हाँ मुझे हिंदी पसंद है. Yes, I like Hindi. पसंद is to like. तुम, क्या तुमको हिंदी पसंद है? हाँ मुझे हिंदी पसंद है. What, do you like Hindi? Yes, I like Hindi. That is the question and answer. How do we say that? क्या तुमको हिंदी पसंद है? हाँ मुझे हिंदी पसंद है. Next question. हिंदी किसकी राष्ट्रभाषा है? राष्ट्रभाषा is the national language. राष्ट्र means national, भाषा means language. National language. Whose national language is Hindi? That is the meaning of the sentence. हिंदी किसकी राष्ट्रभाषा है? So Vimla is answering, हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. It is our national language. She is saying हमारी, our. राष्ट्रभाषा, national language. Hindi is our national language. है means is. Hindi is our national language. Question is, what is your national language, or whose national language is Hindi? Answer is, Vimala, she gives the answer. Hindi is our national language. Question is, हिंदी किसकी राष्ट्रभाषा है? हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. Next question. तुम रात को कितने बजे सोती हो? So what time do you sleep? Sona is to sleep. Since it is feminine gender, soti is coming. So it is used in this question. Soti. So रात means night. कितने बजे? What time? तुम means you. At what time do you sleep at night? We want to ask somebody. How do we say तुम रात को कितने बजे सोती हो? Answer is, मैं रात को 9 बजे सोती हूँ. I sleep at 9 o'clock at night. 9 बजे is 9 o'clock. रात means night. I sleep at 9 o'clock at night. Question is, at what time do you sleep at night? I sleep at 9 o'clock at night. So how do we ask this question and answer? How do we practice it? तुम रात को कितने बजे सोती हो? मैं रात को 9 बजे सोती हूँ. So this is the question and answer. Soti is used for a feminine gender. If it is male, we say sota. Okay. If you want to ask the masculine gender, we will say, at what time are you sleeping at night? We say, the same person will say the sentence, but he will say sota hu. Hope you all understood. So we will practice this meaning of the words, write and see, and go ahead with the understanding of this lesson. Thank you.